Guys, AndroidTechMan here with the new top apps of the week number 3. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with the live wallpaper of the week. Now it's called A Liquid Cloud live wallpaper. Now it's pretty cool. You can get in the Play Store for free, or there's a full version which lets you customize every single feature onto this live wallpaper. The full version costs $1, but you can get it for free in Mobilism or Aptoide. And what you could do here is you can see all the little clouds or smoke, green, and they keep on moving, and it looks pretty nice and pretty beautiful. You need 2.2 or higher, so why not go check it out. Alright guys, so to start off with the first app of the week, I got Smart Statusbar, and it's actually pretty cool. So right when you open it up, the first thing you're going to see is a bunch of options. So what you want to do first is you want to enable this. Now once you enable it, you must be wondering what this is. So when you're in an app, for example, and it has a screen and you can't really see your status bar, this app helps you a lot because it lets you see your status bar from any point of view. I'm going to test it out in Temple Run, and right there, Temple Run is a full game app. Now I'm going to show you what's really cool about this app. You can't really see your status bar, so I'm just going to grab here where the status bar usually is, and I'm going to drag it down. There you see my status bar pops up. I can see my notifications, and then when I'm done, pull it back up, and then all of a sudden the status bar disappears. So I could be playing a game, doing anything, so it's pretty cool. And then I could go back, and then I can see my status bar from there. Smart Status Bar is free. You need 2.0 or higher. Alright guys, next up I got Hide My Route. Now this app is actually pretty cool. It costs $1.58 in the Android Market or the Play Store, but you can get it for free on Mobilism and Merkamarket, these two. So it's pretty nice. There's a free version also, but the paid version has ad-free, that's it. And what this does is you could basically hide your route. Now what that does is you could see Google videos, and you could have the ability to watch Google videos having a rooted phone. Now let me just verify that I do have a rooted phone. Verify root access, and I do. It says congratulations, you have root access. So I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna hide my root by tapping that hide SU binary button. It's gonna say successfully hidden, and then I'm just gonna go back into the app, verify my root access, and right in there it's gonna say no root found. That's what should say, and that means that it has successfully hidden my root. So let's see if this actually does work. So there you go. It says sorry, this device does not have proper root access, so that means root access is not allowed. And then once you're done watching a video or whatever, you could restore your SU binary, and then that automatically tells the person that you have root access. And yeah, you could also hide your super user app and restore it, and then you also have the options to add a password to it. So it's pretty cool. Why not go check it out? Hide my root. Next up I got Akinator or Akinator, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's pretty cool. Now this is not a game. I know it looks like it, but it's not. It's actually pretty nice. So what you do here is it guesses a character that you have in mind. So it could be a fictional character or a real character. So it's gonna ask a bunch of questions, and I'm just gonna answer them. So is your character real? By the way, I am gonna do Mickey Mouse. So you're real? Is your character yes? See. Yes. Your character yes. Your character no. Your character no. Your red. Your no. Yes. Your no. Your mouse yes. Your no. Mickey Mouse yes. Right there, it's gonna tell me what my character is, and like I said, it's Mickey Mouse. And there you go, it guessed it right away. So it actually does work. I don't know how it does it. It just calculates, and once you press yes, it tells you how many people have tried this. Try one more time. Let's do something hard like John for Lakers. No, yes, yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes, no, 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 yes, no, no, yes, no, 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 yes, no. Let's see if they got it right. And then there he goes. I said John for Lakers, John Rettinger. So yeah, it does work. It's actually pretty cool. So it's free, or you could get the full version, which is $1.99 in the Android Market. You can get it for free though from Blackmart Alpha, Mobilism, Aptoide, Merkamarket, and pandapp. It works really well. So yeah, why not go check it out? Alright guys, so next up I got Awesome Wallpaper. Now this is actually a pretty nice app. Now, how many of you guys don't know where to look for wallpapers? Well, I know where to look for wallpapers. This app right here. You can find a lot of wallpapers in HD. It's actually pretty nice, and it's just a bunch of pictures, and they have 43 categories, so they have a lot. So for example, if we go into one that they have to cartoon, it's going to go into the cartoon category, and they have pretty nice pictures here for your wallpaper. They have a bunch. So it's pretty nice. They also have cars, fashion, all these kinds of wallpapers, and you can set them as a wallpaper. So let's just do one. Add this, and then you can set it as wallpaper. You tap on it, and would you like to set it? And then if you press OK, it's going to automatically set it. You don't even have to download it. And also, if you want people to see that wallpaper, you can press like, you can share it, you can comment it, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's free in the Android market, so there's not much to this. It's actually funny and great, and it works just fine. I like these wallpapers. They're just funny to look at. You don't even have to use them as a wallpaper. You can use them as a contact icon, or you can just have fun looking at them. Alright guys, so now for the game. First up I got Canabalt HD. This is actually one of the best games I found in running stats besides Temple Run, obviously. And what you could do here is all you do is you're trying to run away from the end of the world. I don't know how you're supposed to do that, but you just are. So you start off by running away from randomness, and you can see the graphics are just very nice. Even though the game is in 2D, you can see the 3D graphics from the buildings. So you're trying to avoid all these objects as you're running away from all this terror, and some buildings are going to collapse, and you can see the birds are pretty nice, and there's just boxes everywhere. And as you get into this game, the guy starts to get faster, and when you jump really high, and you have to try to measure how far you want him to jump. It's $2.99 in the Play Store, but you can get it for free in Aptoide, Merkamarket, and Mobilism. And when you pause it, you could choose option. If you have a slow phone or not a good phone, you could press to turn off HD mode. And when you turn off HD mode, it's just in 2D, and everything looks the same. It's just a little bit faster for you. You actually have the scores. There's my score. You want to beat that? Yeah. Yeah, I hacked that score actually. Alright guys, so next up I got Tank Hero Laser Wars. How many of you guys like lasers? Well, Tank Hero is actually pretty cool. It actually is a second version of the original Tank Hero, which is actually pretty popular. This one's a paid version though. It actually costs $2.99 in the Android market, but you can get it for free in Blackmart Alpha, Merkamarket, Aptoide, pandapp, and Mobilism. So it's actually pretty nice. So right when you open it up, you just want to press play, easy, and you just want to go into one of the worlds. So I'm just going to go into the new world and just start playing right away. Now they have really short levels. Let me just start off by saying that this game has awesome graphics. You can see the graphics are just great, and you just have to like try to kill the other tanks. So let me just destroy this. There you go. And right there I destroyed them, and you just gotta tap on the screen to move, and then just tap to shoot. Really easy. Grab the joystick and just start shooting around. Simple game. You don't even need a tutorial to do this. And you hate lose a life, but it's okay because you still have a bunch of health left. Just go in here, and once you destroy all the tanks, then you win. As you get further into the game, you get more laser guns. So you get the whole point of this game. It's actually pretty nice. Tank Wars, why not go check it out? Alright guys, next up I got Zeus Ball. Now Zeus Ball is actually $1 in the Android market or the Play Store, but you can get it for free in Aptoide, Mobilism, and Snappzmarket. These three. So let's just start off by playing it. And the whole point is that Zeus has trusted you to save the day. Your only weapon is the mighty Zeus Ball. Now this game is really hard. It's really tough too. What you're supposed to do is try to knock this down onto the little statue porch there or whatever, and the only thing you could hit is the wooden thing. So let me just try to do this. That's not gonna work. You can tap anywhere to shoot the boss. I failed. Let's just go into an easier level because this one's really hard. Alright, so this is actually a pretty easy level. So what you gotta do is try to destroy all the wood. and once she lands on the little statue, she turns into a girl or a goddess or whatever, and then you complete the level. Not that great, but the gameplay is really fast, and you can see that sometimes you just get really frustrated and start to rage. So do I think this is the best game in the world? No. Do I think it has bad graphics? No. Do I think this game is really fun? Yes. Why not go check it out? $1 in the Android you need 1.6 or higher, but you get it for free as well in those black markets. So go check it out. So next up I got Super Daddio, and there's a free version and there's a full version. The full version costs $1, but that's only when you get ads. That's only when you get ad free. So there's at least so there's only 3 worlds, and it's just like Mario, and you get to choose the levels down here. So let me just go into level 1, and it's just like Mario, except they call it Super Daddio. So here you are. This is how you move with these 2 controls. You go left, right, jump, and then X is just go under stuff. The only thing that they're missing is this theme song, but you have the same old graphics and the same old gameplay, and this is actually a fun game. So come here, come here, come here. The whole point of this game is try to finish in time, collect all the coins, and try to finish in the finish line as fast as possible. And right now I'm not doing that good, but you can see that I am trying. So when you get hit, you either turn small or you automatically die. There's jetpacks as well. So this is a jetpack. Well, I'll show you. And then you can jump really high with this. Yeah, like usual. Alright guys, so this concludes the top apps of the week. Thank you guys for watching. I know I'm a day late, but you know, it happens. I'm a little lazy. But don't worry, I'll keep on trying to upload on time, but you still get your top apps. I hope you like them. Keep rating, commenting, and subscribing, and spreading the word of AndroidTechMan. So thank you guys for watching, and guys, I will see you in the next video. I don't know if I should do kapow. Let's try to do something else. I'll come with something up. In the meantime, I'll see you guys later. Peace!